Wake up, people. The time is now. We are living in a new world. AI has blown apart what we originally knew about software creation. You don't need to know how to code to make an app. It changes everything. Roll the intro. This is huge. It is revolutionizing how we think about software creation. Just a few years ago, entire teams of engineers were needed to build even basic apps. Today, you can do it with AI tools, sometimes in a single afternoon. Let's set the scene. Let's get grounded with some real numbers so you can see how disruptive this shift has really been. According to a Washington Post analysis with Brookings and Anthropic, over 27% of computer programming jobs in the US have disappeared in just the past 2 years, largely because AI has automated routine coding. That's more than a quarter of the jobs in that category gone. A Stanford Digital Economy Lab study found that entry-level job listings in software development and related fields dropped 13% over the last 3 years. Junior roles are drying up because the work they were designed to do can be handled by AI. But there's a balance here, right? The US Bureau of Labor Statistics still projects that software development employment will grow nearly 18% from 2023 to 2033, much faster than the average of other occupations. That tells us the work isn't disappearing entirely, it's changing. Routine programming is shrinking, but higher level software creation, design, and system integration is still growing. Jobs are being reshaped, and the ones who know how to wield the tools will be in the best position. Let's look at the bigger picture. So what are these tools? What does vibe coding or software composing actually look like? Here's the current landscape. Lovable, one of the most popular, allows you to quickly spin up full stack apps in React and TypeScript with Supabase in natural language. Bolt.new, very similar to Lovable, best known for instant prototyping and fast publishing. Replit Agent, a powerful AI IDE for experimenting, debugging, and iterating on more complex code bases. Agent 3 is a very exciting addition to this technology, which is improving as we speak. Google Opal, free in public beta right now, lets you build AI mini apps by chaining prompts and logic visually. It's an easy way to experiment without any cost. And don't forget Supabase, a backend and database service with free tiers that allow you to do quite a bit. These tools lower the barrier of entry dramatically. You can now go from idea to working app in hours. What used to cost months, $50,000, and a team of developers can now be done by you. Some prompts and some patience. Now to show you what I've done. Here are two of my personal builds. First, check out this app. I built it in 3 hours in the backseat of a car on 1 bar of LTE. It is a full marketplace for backcountry gear, listings, profiles, buy and sell functions, all done on a road trip. It has a profile section and a section where users can chat with each other. Or this one, a meditation tracking app, which is the one that we'll be going over in this video. I called it Adrian's Breath Count, something I've always wanted, a pocket app that allows me to track how long I've meditated, see history, and hold myself accountable. It helps me progress and improve while experiencing the benefits of breathwork, which is something that I recommend to anyone. I will walk you through how I built it and some key features in Bolt. Here is the workflow that I recommend, and I'll show you piece by piece. Design first. Don't just dive straight into prompts in Bolt. Start with a design. In fact, use this Relevance AI agent by Leah Motley. I've linked it in the description below. You can generate an initial landing page concept here and then take the visual and the prompt that it produces and bring it over into your Vibe coder. Take the picture and the prompt and bring it to your software of choice. In this case, Bolt.new. Expect imperfection. The first attempt won't be perfect. That's fine. The key is to make one change at a time. If you don't like the look of a certain button, just change it by describing how you want it to be changed in natural language. If the layout feels off, just adjust it. Going UI first and functionality second is best. For example, first prompt, add a button that says blank. And then once it looks right and you're happy with it, then prompt to route that button to the correct screen or function. If the AI fails, let it retry a couple times, but set a personal rule for yourself. If it fails 3 times, revert to a previous version or try a new approach. Don't get stuck endlessly hammering the same request expecting a different result. Use both features wisely. Prompt mode versus discuss mode. Prompt mode, this is for one-off commands and it will start acting immediately. Discuss mode is more of a chat back and forth experience where you can refine and clarify before making a change. Make a switch between them depending on if you're going for precision or exploration. Backend and database. Bolt integrates directly with Supabase here. Set up Supabase and make a project. You can literally type, create a table called sessions with start time, end time, and duration, and it will generate the table. You can update it, edit, and expand it all through natural language. This is how you can make this meditation app, log every session, and have a database for each user. Last is publish. Once the app works and you're happy with it, hit publish. Bolt gives you a link instantly. You can use it as is, or you can hook up your own domain. At that point, the app is yours. It's portable, live, and shareable. Okay, so now let's have a reality check. These tools are really good right now, but they're not magic. You need patience, design thinking, and debugging skills. The best results come from collaborating with it, not expecting perfection from it first try. The people who succeed are the ones who iterate thoughtfully, combine AI speed with human judgment, and employ patience. You must know when to step back and redirect. So what did we learn? The numbers show disruption is real. Programming jobs are already shrinking, especially at the entry level. But the tools exist now. Bolt, Lovable, Replit, Opal, Supabase. They're free or cheap and incredibly powerful. The process isn't complicated. Design first, import into your Vibe coder, iterate slowly, build UI before functionality, integrate a backend, and publish. You don't need to be a career engineer to do this. You just need curiosity and a couple hours to try. My challenge to you is take a weekend, use these tools, and build something. A site for a friend, a marketplace, a tracker, an internal tool for your business. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be something. This is the future of software. It's time to learn it now. I want you to use these tools and get real value out of them. So what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with what you build, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.